Hello, today we will guide you through how to auto-invest on Trading 212. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to turn auto-invest on or off using a sample pie, all in a safe practice environment. Start by opening the Trading 212 website or app and signing in if prompted. Once the platform loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a large drop-down menu that lets you switch between different areas of the platform. Click that menu and choose the Invest section. This is important because AutoInvest lives in the Invest area, not in other account types. If the interface looks a little different on mobile, rotate your phone to landscape or use the desktop site for the clearest layout. If you want to follow along without risking real funds, select the option to practice with virtual money. This opens a training mode that mirrors the real experience but uses simulated cash, which is perfect for learning how AutoInvest works before you commit. Next, look along the top of the screen for the pie icon. Trading 212 uses pies to represent portfolios and to power AutoInvest. Each slice in a pie is a percentage target for a stock or ETF, and AutoInvest works to keep those targets aligned automatically. Click the pie icon to open the pies area. From here, choose the sample pie. This example portfolio is designed for demonstration, so it's a great place to explore features and see how the workflow feels. Opening the sample pie won't affect any live investments when you're in practice mode. Inside the pie, find the AutoInvest toggle. This switch controls whether the platform automatically places orders to follow the pie's targets. Turning it on means the system will handle ongoing investments and rebalancing according to the pie's setup. Turning it off pauses that automation. Go ahead and click the toggle to change its state. When you do, a confirmation screen will appear. Take a moment to review what you're confirming so you're comfortable with the change. When everything looks right, click Confirm to apply it. You'll see a success message letting you know the update is complete. Finally, click Done to close the message and return to your pie overview. That's all there is to it. You navigated to invest, opened the pies area, selected the sample pie, used the AutoInvest toggle, confirmed your choice, and wrapped up. If something doesn't look the same on your screen, make sure you're in the Invest section and try refreshing. You can revisit the pie at any time to adjust the toggle again. When you're ready to move from practice to live investing, double-check your settings and proceed with confidence.